Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send location from Google Maps to WhatsApp. So first of all, you have to open the Google Maps. So by the way, the steps that I'm about to show you work with both iPhone and Android. You will simply type a location in the search bar right here that you would like to share. Once you have find the location, you will simply tap on that red dot. After you have done that, you are going to scroll across right where you see the directions. You can pull it to the left, then you will see this option share. So just tap on this share. Then from here you have to tap on these three dots, like tap on this more, and now you have to select WhatsApp. After selecting WhatsApp, you will choose the contact that you would like to share the location with. Then you will tap on next and then simply tap on this send in the top hand right corner and your location is shared. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.